Hello friends, today we are going to talk about effect of demonetization on real estate. So let's start with what is monetization. Whenever there is a change in national currency, government retires currency and replace with new one. The reason for this change can be anything like reducing corruption or reducing black money. The effect on real estate will depend upon the city in which you want to buy the property. Cities are majorly categorized as Tier 1 cities like Bangalore, Mumbai will have a bit less effect as the ratio of black white money is less. Tier 2 cities and Tier 3 cities will have more impact as the ratio of black white money is big. Let's see the effect based on property type. So different type of properties are office or commercial places will have a bit less effect as cash component do not play a significant role here. New properties will definitely be affected as people with black money will not be there. So the prices will go down. Resale properties will badly affected as real market value will be less due to black money was involved during the purchase. Let's consider two scenarios to understand situation better. Scenario 1 before demonetization. Here is Mr. Shah who want to buy a flat in gated community and its price is 50 lakhs. He meets the builder and confirms the deal. As builder agrees, he pays 30% as black money which is around 15 lakhs and remaining 70% white money which is around 35 lakhs. Now after 1 year, Mr. Reddy meets Mr. Shah who want to sell his house in 60 lakhs. They agrees on the same ratio that is 30% black money which is around 18 lakhs and 70% white money which is around 42 lakhs. Let's consider scenario 2 which is after demonetization. In this case, Mr. Shah does not have any black money. He wants to buy the same flat whose old market value is 50 lakhs. When he met builder, they agrees for price 38 lakhs because builder wanted to sell the house and black money was no longer option. So he gets 100% white money. Now after 1 year, when Reddy wants to buy the house from Mr. Shah, they will quote the price as 45 lakhs. In this case, Mr. Shah will get 100% white money. Let's conclude what are the impacts. Loans will become easier to get. Interest rates may go down. Luxury segment will have more impact as black white money ratio was big. More transparency will come. Prices will slowly go down till next 6 months to 1 year. Prices will go high after 1 year as people will be able to afford the house as loan will be easy to get. Thanks for watching.